Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2019 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit to show you. It's built with a 3406 550 cat, 13 speed, and only 472,000 original miles. I'm gonna do a full walk around for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Front bar looks great, engine compartment's great, frame rails are clean, the body and paint looks excellent. I don't really see any imperfections in the body, the paint, the tanks, frame rails, all of that's in excellent condition. Air slide fifth wheel, air ride, all aluminum wheels. Disc brakes on this one as well. Hard to find in a glider kit. Majority of your glider kits were not built with disc brakes. And this is one of the last years to get a factory glider kit as well. VIT interior, matching leather seats. Extremely well taken care of on the inside. There's your miles and hours. Great low side oil pressure, super smooth to the RPMs. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got more questions, give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.